Oh, we've got to have that song on, I reckon. 192000 by the Gorillas. Get on it. So what's the story here? Not Alphonse, that was the last one. We nicknamed it Paolo, known by the owners as the Coffin. So let's have a look at where we're at. We're on 0.5, so it's very fish eyesy. It's looking unreal, I reckon. So looking very slick. So what's happened is we did our first rough in with bodywork. So sand the epoxy, and then anywhere where you can notice that it needed a bit of filler, you swipe a bit in, block it out, and you get it up to a certain point, like on this quarter here. That's looking pretty good. Not 100% perfect yet, but already pretty good. Even before the poly goes on, it's good. Look at those beautiful lines. So yeah, so now we just let that cure. It takes a bit of curing time. Let it shrink and go hard, and then we block it down. So, but 2 coats of RestoFinish there. We're going to block it down, and we might do another couple after that. We'll see how we go. Doors and boot bonnet and that just slapped on. So we got the effect. Well, not the effect, just to hold them there. So we're spraying the outside. We don't need to put the RestoFinish on the inside of the panels. And on here, if you want a little sneak peek, that's the colour periwinkle blue. Is it periwinkle blue? What's the official colour? Where did I put it? Yeah. Anyway, let's have a look in here. Oh, how did that get there? I don't know. Flea toner. Oh, all the paints. Anyway. Where is it? Oh, hang on, it's got my name on it. Bluish grey metallic. That's it. So, Colour Stop up in Toowoomba did this up for me. Blue Provincia metallic. I think the nickname for it is periwinkle blue, but this is the original colour that was on the car. So that gives you an idea. This isn't the finish. That's all going to be repainted, but it was just an idea so that the owner can get an idea of the colour that's going to come up and make sure he's happy with that. We always like to do that. All right, that's all there is. A short, what they call a short. And yeah, I hope that didn't make you too seasick doing it in the 0.5. Yeah, so Grego out, Grego in. So, oh God, I need a shave. I can see the reflection on the back of my phone. Yeah, so it's all happening here. Car's going to look amazing, like full on. There's a heap of work to do with the blocking, but I feel like we've turned another corner with the car. So, super happy. Yeah, hope you're all having a good time. Whatever you're doing, do it well. Ciao for now.